Welcome back to the channel, YouTubers. Or am I the YouTuber? You're the YouTuber. What is this relationship we have going on here? But anyway, what you're about to see in this video is us pulling the motor off of our boat and sticking it on another boat because we're repowering and putting a new motor on this boat, which is the first boat. So you guys, there's two boats in the video. Anyway, we're putting a new motor on the boat that we just pulled the old motor off of. The reason being is we just want a new motor. I don't want to pay the price for upgrading to a newer used boat, and I definitely don't want to try to buy a new boat. So the best way to do this is just put a new motor on this one and enjoy this one, and maybe the motor outlasts the boat. Who knows? But that's what we're doing in this video. I just want y'all to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below on what you think of the video. And I got a couple more videos that are going to be pumped out. And there's a couple of these videos that you're going to watch and be like, man, this makes no sense. Is because I just started filming me doing random stuff with these boats and projects around the house and not really giving it any thought on what to do. It just, I don't, on the filming part. So that's why there's no intro and outro on this video, because I just said, screw it, let's do it, let's film it. And we had to hurry through it and get this done because when I called and said, yeah, if they drop the boat off, you might possibly have it back by before the weekend, which we didn't. It took them longer than expected. So, hope you liked the video. Let's get into it. Should just look up. Alright, so what we gotta do is get throttle cable and shifter cable off over here, gas cable, and then whatever this is. What's that right there?
Did you just pull it out? Or you're gonna pull this whole thing out? Use the top here. Use this right here.
Well, you got your battery cables. All right, turn the motor that way. So we both get in here.
Break it.
Just needs to be lubed up where we ain't used it in a while. First things first, let's open this up. Disconnect the battery. So we gotta get in here. All this wire. So what we're doing is getting a new motor for this boat. We're going to pull this motor off. We got another boat over there that needs a motor. So essentially when we're done, we're gonna possibly have two boats. Gotta get these relays out. I think that's everything right there. Just this one wire for all the relays. See, I took this off for no reason. Nope, because that one was hooked to it. Man, we'll be at 8 now. So we're going from a 2-stroke 90 horsepower to a 4-stroke 90 horsepower. Unfortunately, I can't put it on, so we gotta take all this off, go drop it off at the boat shop. Hopefully with us taking this motor off, it won't take as long to put the other one on. Kyle's got a tournament this weekend, and I want to go to it. Well, I want to fish while he's fishing, but it might not happen. That goes to the pump that we need to rebuild. This is the tilt trim switch, which is bad. I need a new one of these. So this side of the motor's done. So it's a 10.
Are you gonna ask for a new RPM gauge?
RPM gauge. That's why I was asking if we could hook it to my fish finder. Because then you could put your RPMs and everything on the screen, which will make it easier, Because I want to take those two gauges out and mount that screen instead of having it up there like that. Make a piece for it to mount onto the actual console. All right, so we need to get this off when we're ready.
Pull that off. Is it gonna leak everywhere?
What's up?
Is this gonna leak everywhere if you pull it off?
Shouldn't leak unless you pump it. It's been sitting in the yard for how many months and not ran, so it shouldn't. So I need a big wrench, like maybe an inch, bigger than that.
How much bigger?
Oh, a couple of sizes, whatever you got over there. Oh, bigger. There we go. Oh, I don't think it's I need something bigger than this. We got anything bigger than this?
Yeah. There's 2 more.
We need. If I have to guess, it's going to be a 3/4 or a 19. But you'll need one for each side. Was it 3/4?
Yeah, I got 2 3/4.
Is it 3/4 on both sides?
Yeah.
The nut and the bolt?
Yeah, this side is.
Normally this stuff's all, when you look down inside of it, it's all collapsed. That should be everything except for the 4 mount bolts, which those bottom 2 are going to be a pain in the butt to get to because you got to come from the inside. But we got to get it hung up first. We got to hang it first. Right, should it? All right, go up.
Maybe get another strap.
We might need another one here in a second. Let's just get weight on it first. See how it looks. Get a gun, a little extension, and a 3/4. Alright, what you gotta do now is put it on there, just barely pull the trigger. Keep going. Keep going. This is where we gotta be careful because now the motor's.
And make sure you're recording.
I'm recording. We have to take that off as it swings away because it won't pull all the way out. So once we get the motor out, we're gonna push the motor that way and pull that arm out at the same time.
This is this one here.
Huh?
This whole thing goes through.
Yeah. You don't see no other bolts in there. Hold on, I got one more wire. Here's this wire.
Goes down inside the.
Oh, that's a speedometer, I do believe. I think it's just a hose, it ain't a wire. All right, so pull it your way.
I was just gonna put it back on the other bud and not do about the wires later.
Yeah, we're gonna do with wire because we ain't got no wires on the other one. The only thing on the other one is this. So hopefully this piece is still on the other one. We can shove it in there as we put it on. So. Right. Turn this thing. This thing should go in and out now. Pull it. Pull over till I run out the holes.
Then
Come on, Kyle. You gotta help move the motor, not just hold the bolt. Push it at the same time as you're turning. I can't get it. You just trying to put a bolt in and not help me out. Try to go in this hole right here. No, up one. Down one.
down.
Actually, go the other way. Go this way. Go through the hole. Tell me where it's gotta go. Probably not wide enough, is it? Go up a little bit.
I can't.
It's
Into.
put a washer on.
Let's go get the top. Push it out.
Well, there's that motor.